Hi guys, and welcome to my Mulberry Iris unboxing of my beautiful new Mulberry bag in gorgeous porcelain blue. I've got this bag for work, hopefully when we all return to the office. I saw it online, I really like the colour, and I know Mulberry is going to be really good quality. So now I've got open the box, I'm going to just take out this bag. So just take that over there. So this is the first Mulberry I've bought in probably about 15 years. The last one was a beautiful bag. I've had it for quite some years. I think it was called a Bayswater. So I haven't really bought any since quite a long time. So I think it's time to buy a new one. I'm quite excited about opening this. Okay, let's get this open and let's see what we've got. Oh, I can see the colour. It's the nicest bit when you open the bag. Okay, let's get this out. Wow, that's such a beautiful blue. The smell is just really, really nice. That's as good as it looked online for me. So I'm going to take this off the front. I'm going to call this a little door knocker. It just looks like a little vintage door knocker in gold, which is a nice contrast between that and the blue. So I do actually quite like that. So, I mean, the key part of this bag has got to be the handle. I was going to whiz through this bit, but I'm not, because for me this is a really nice part of the bag. So you can see it at the same time as I see it. So I'll just get this off. Just taking this. Wow. Yep. Wow. Let's move. I've got bits of paper all over this bag. It is really well packed and protected. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Really nice. So the handles are what I call a harlequin design. Contrast in black and blue. My understanding is you can choose online if you're buying from the Mulberry site that whether or not to go for this colour, or you can contrast it with any colour. So you could go for white and black if you wanted, or red and black, whatever's available on the site. Let me just take some of the packing out. Wow, there's a lot of packing. Even more. Let's get that. Take that out. Oh, it's pretty. I love that strap. Really nice. Undo this, pull that out. There you go. Well, that's interesting. Interesting clasps. It's like a scissor clasp. Just put that on. It is, yeah. I quite like that. That's different. On the bag. There seems to be quite a bit of space in here. Oh, keychain, little bag tag. You can really see the texture with the little Mulberry logo on the front, gold. Some nice weight as well. It feels expensive, but not too heavy. Okay. There seems to be quite a bit of space in here. So I've just got little zip compartments in this. I've got a cord, care card from Mulberry. I like to keep these in the bag, so I'll put that back. Oh, something else. I think it's just a purchase tag. Pop that back in there. It's nice. I like it. Nice length strap, definitely shoulder strap. Adjustable. Top handle. So I think we should see how much we can put in this. So this is my pillow bag with my Coach card wallet. Coach coin case, put that in there. We've got my little spectacles case. Oh, let me show you this. So got this online. If you're like me, hate carrying a big case, takes up all the space in a bag. These little fold down spectacles, oh my God, amazing. Such a space saver, really, really great. Hardly cost anything as well. So if you like carrying a small handbag, highly recommend these, just amazing. Pop those in there. And what else have we got? We've got my mask, which I'm using, so we'll pop that in. And we've got my zip case, which is great for pens, pop that in. And we've got my key case, put in. That's everything for my pillow bag. So let's have a look. We've got plenty of space. This is going to be a great work bag. So magnetic clasp, just close it over for security. Yep, I think that is really nice. Doesn't feel too heavy, just the right size. What do you think, guys? Shall I keep it?